Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open browser which you normally use. Then you have to tap here. Then go to the history. Then tap clear browsing data. And then you have to select the time period for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, and all time. Then you have to select data formats which you want to clear. It could be browsing history, cookies, and license and site data, cached images and files, and then you just tap clear data and the history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.